Why am I not pretty?
Beauty does not matter. Presence does.
Batman. You look tired.
Long shift.
Emotionally or financially? No.
It's quick.
No. So was the Titanic.
Moral support. Mostly for me.
What's your name?
Legend. Real name. Still legend.
Those are suspicious. They're clean. That's what they said last time.
Be honest. That's a lot of pressure.
I'm still... Where is it? I can't find a vein.
Have you tried Google Maps?
No?
You're right like it is. Tower. No, it's nice decoration.
It's authority.
Same thing.
This won't hurt.
Say that slower. I don't trust fast lies.
Step back.
I misunderstood the assignment.
Are those my grades?
No.
Good. I was nervous.
It's fast because you're nervous.
You're not funny.
More than the ticket.
Too many choices. I prefer none.
That guy had a backstory.
Hold still.
Emotionally or physically?
Look at me.
I am. I'm just disappointed.
You're dramatic. This is called survival.
Who's in charge here?
You'll feel pressure.
I already do. From society. That sound has trauma.
Relax. I would if this was optional. Almost done.
That's what you said last time.
You're free to go.
I always was.
Why is it cold?
Science.
Rude science.
Take your time. This is historic.
Don't smile. That makes it worse.
Any questions?
Yes. Why? Me?
We don't need that kind of negativity.
That didn't help.
Congratulations! You lived!
See? I heal people. Ha!
Hold still for me. Part sounds solid. Same time next week?